Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I know I'm in the North Tower, haven't checked in yet so I don't know my room number. I'm going to go to the kiosks and find out what room I'm in and take care of all that business and head on over to the North Tower, which is quite a trek from here. I'm parked at the Cabana garage, so I got a little walk. I'll take you guys along with me. Come on, let's go check it out.
These kiosks really have me spoiled. Unfortunately, you can't ask a kiosk for an upgrade, so it's really no big deal though. I'm only here for one night. I don't need an upgrade. And if you did want to change your room or you did want to upgrade, you could have always taken your key that you got at the kiosk to the registration area. But that's just double work. Again, I'm only here for one night. No big deal. By the way, stay tuned to this video because I'm also going to be visiting the outdoor pool. I'm not sure why it says 2 guests, but no big deal.
I tried getting into the Chelsea parking lot, or parking garage rather, but it's closed off, so I don't know if it's closed permanently or if it's just today, I'm not sure, but I had to park here at the Cabana Tower, so just a little walk, no big deal. By the way, this Gin Ricky's right behind me is a new place known for their wings, so we'll check it out eventually.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And don't forget, hit that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Don't touch that dial, guys. Don't forget, coming up soon, the outdoor pool here at the Tropicana. Do they even make dials anymore? Same view at night during a nasty storm. There's been lots of nasty storms here in the Northeast lately. Alrighty, back in the beautiful daytime and sunshine, let's check out this outdoor pool, shall we? That's the historic Ritz across from the pool deck. The pool was actually closing for the day. They gave me 5 minutes to record, and I think I did a good job in those 5 minutes.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.